I've been really enjoying this journey, and this is a great course. It's a great opportunity to to bounce off others' ideas and to come up with new ideas and presenting them. When it comes to knowledge, I think it's priceless. I think the fact that you are so energetic and so passionate about it, Christophe, makes it a completely different experience.
All right. Thank you, Guy, for accepting this interview. Guy, you've been with us in the coaching program for 3 months now. Can you maybe take a minute to introduce yourself, please?
My name is Guy. I'm 47 years old. I live in Asia. I've been into retail investing for the past 5 years.
So you've been investing for a few years now. And what was your struggle before joining the coaching program?
Well, as a retail investor, especially as a new one, is very overwhelming to get into this field, and you are flooded with information. Today, information is very much abundant, and I felt like I was running on full throttle for a long time, and I really needed a couple of things. I felt like I need a community. I felt like I need a community. I felt like I need a little bit more guidance, a little bit more structure, and a little bit more, I would say, ideas, because you find it very easy. You get entrenched into that one way of investing that relies on your books. I wanted to open my horizons. That was the main reason.
That's good. I mean, that's a good reason. With the internet, with the YouTube, Twitter, you have a lot of people, you have a lot of ideas, you have a lot of information. Sometimes that's a little bit too much information. So you need to streamline the process. And do you remember how you felt when you joined the group for the first few weeks, when you joined the group and started working with me and with the other students?
It was great, because you, like I said, you all of a sudden, regardless whether you always think that what everybody, it's great to be exposed to new ideas, to new people, to position yourself and to see which areas you can improve at, and you always feed off these different people that come from completely different backgrounds with different knowledge, and regardless to how much credentials they have, you can say you can always pick something up from someone. It's always when you learn in a group, it's just that the brainstorming really that really adds a lot of value, apart from going through the models, and then we all have that common idea of what the conversation flow should be. So that was the feeling.
Yeah, we have several calls per week. And it's true, we have people from almost every continent. So that's quite diverse. And what would you say was the most helpful in the coaching program? What did you achieve? Would it be better stock ideas, or better framework, or just being part of a community? What was the thing that was the most helpful?
Well, it's always nice to brush off the basics, and to not just brush it off in a regular way. It's from a different way. You have your way, so I just added another way of thinking to kind of the repertoire. That's one. And yes, everything that you said, because you do get a lot of names and a lot of companies that you start considering opening positions in them, or going way deeper, and then afterwards considering opening a position in them. And another nice thing is to see what you don't like as well, because you see you pick up, it gives you more confidence to see what the way people are thinking, and you're thinking, regardless whether it's their thoughts and their process, and there is a chance that their process is just as good, but each investor, as an investor, you have your own way, and the more you are when you're in that kind of environment, and not just investing on your own, it actually, for me, it makes my way clearer, if that makes any sense.
Well, yeah. Any ideas you didn't like? Any industry you didn't like that was mentioned in the coaching program? Yeah, you're right. I mean, we have a lot of people that are software engineers, funnily enough. I don't know for what particular reason, but you work in a different industry. Some people work in different industries. Everybody has their own background, so the circle of competence is different for everybody. Any ideas you didn't like that the industries that you
No,
would?
it's not necessarily I didn't like, but I think in terms of fundamentals, so each person have their own idea regarding the risk or and the risk and reward on a company and the way it's valuated, especially nowadays with all the you have the camps of the growth and the camps of the value, and I think I meant more towards that direction, that you really that it's important, these kind of groups help you with positioning yourself, what kind of companies are your favorites, and what kind of companies make sense to you, and what do not, and that's the nice thing, because it didn't necessarily completely made me turn 180, but it definitely changed my views on in some areas, and in many areas, just like I said before, it made me more focused on my previous beliefs, and it's just a showcase, right? It's a playground where you see how each person plays, and then you pick your own way.
That's true. That's true. You live in Asia, so you maybe, I mean, for sure, have an edge for Asian companies. If it can be in China, Korea, Japan, Australia, this kind of countries that we don't often discuss on YouTube. Most of the YouTube world is about US companies, sometimes European companies. But yeah, it's good to have different horizons, different investment ideas from different geographies, because you have value everywhere. Now the US market can be seen as a little bit expensive, a lot of growth names. Nobody is looking at Japan. Nobody is looking at Korea. You have some names over there. And I believe you liked to find value in this market, like value investment ideas, good businesses at a good price in Asia, right?
Definitely, I do think that nowadays, you might even pick companies that have the same return, or might be underperform slightly. Then, if they are good companies, I still do believe that they will perform well. But because of the trend, because of the inertia that exists nowadays towards the US market, it might not allocate as much capital. At the same time, though, the risk will be much lower, because the valuation is just much lower, and that's something that I personally, as an investor, like a lot, because when I look into the long term, I do believe that things do balance themselves at some point of time.
I have an example in mind. I won't mention the name, but some companies in agriculture, great returns, low PE ratio. The opportunity was here. That was a very good pick. And what would you say to someone who maybe was in your situation before, someone who hesitates to join the coaching program? Maybe somebody who has watched some YouTube videos, has been investing a few months for a few years, and is hesitating right now to join the coaching program. What would you say to this person?
In general, I say just reach out to people. I think it can be a bit, when you rely only on YouTube channels. You always have that doubt in the back of your mind that it's biased, and the more, and there's it's like when you have this interaction, with people, live interaction with people, even though it is on Zoom, but still, you're talking to a person. You pick a lot of nuances. And then you start to be more convinced, and your convictions and your learning process gets more verified, and that helps. Not to mention that specifically the course that you gave, and the information, and the fact that we do so many calls per week, it just sucks you in. So you just feel like you actually, you're a part of these organizations, or definitely like some kind of group of people they're all like-minded, right? And they all eventually look for the same thing. So just that is enough. But seek and try to reach out to a person and to you, and if you feel like a good match, I think very easily, at least I did find that the value is there in terms of whatever it is that the costs that are involved in this. When it comes to knowledge, I think it's priceless.
That's good. And by the way, why did you choose this coaching program instead of another one? We are plenty of finance YouTubers on YouTube. So why did you choose me over somebody else?
I was actually looking for a flexible program. I was looking for our, because I did a lot. I did a couple of courses, and I had the option of enrolling into one of the universities actually in the United States that runs an online course, and I felt I wanted to cut to the chase. That's to just get into analyzing companies, get right into it, because I do feel that a lot of people that pick, to me at least, I think that picking this type of course is, you already need to have a little bit background in it to get the most value, in my view. A little bit background, a little bit idea of the markets, and just have that find that sounding box where everybody just voice, and you can tweak your investment thesis better through this type of group. So that's the thing for me, at least, that they gave me the impression that this course is more suitable for me, rather than a little bit of a little bit more dry kind of test, and as much as there would be real-time examples, there wouldn't be this live discussion. And here it's a live discussion. It's a live, constant discussion of the market situations, and a lot of Q&As, so everything that just comes to mind. At the same time, if you're a person that really likes this structure and you really need to pick up your basics, then I don't know, maybe other course could be also something that could work. I don't know, but to me, that flexibility and that live content on actual markets, I mean, news on the news, that's what attracted me.
I mean, that's live. We have a few calls per week, so we follow exactly what is happening in the market, whether it's the economy or specific stocks, specific earnings, specific trends. We follow the news and we see, okay, does it matter for our companies? Can we find the value in some sectors, some industries? That is basically our goal. Would you recommend this coaching program? And if so, why and to whom? You already said, yeah, this is for people that already invest. If you are a beginner, ultra beginner, maybe not. But to whom in particular? I mean, you are the perfect audience for this coaching program because you've been investing before. You are definitely not a beginner, but since you are there with us, whom would you recommend the program to?
If I have to kind of think of the person that would be suitable the most for this, is a flexible person, a retail investor that has a long time horizon, that wants to really tweak the learning, the investing, his investing theory and his investing idea of what kind of investor he wants to be. Someone who wants to kind of have this live be a part of an equal part in a class, rather than more of a student and a teacher. I think this course will contribute for these kind of people the most, in my view, rather than someone who just wants to get the fundamentals and I think you should read some books and some investing idea before you join this kind of course. Definitely, if you come to this course with some background, then, because you jump right in, right? This is the thing. You jump right in. It's not like it takes you maybe 10 lessons until you start talking about companies, you start analyzing them, you go for financial reports, right? And there may be a lot of terms, a lot of not maybe, there'll be a lot of terms that are just not for someone who is not familiar with it or not a bit seasoned with it and knows what everything is. So that would be the most value for that kind of person, in my opinion.
Yeah. If somebody is watching this video, if you don't know who Warren Buffett is, please don't book a call. You need a little bit more experience. If you know
That's
Warren
just,
Buffett and Charlie Munger, you're fine. You're fine, basically. Anything you would like to share? Or we can call it today. We have a call with other people from the group in 15 minutes. Anything you'd like to share to somebody who maybe you can give some value, some specific things that you like in the coaching program, or we can just call it today and continue with the other call.
no, like again, I've been really enjoying this journey, and I love the whole process. I think anyone that is free, has some time, and has the curiosity and interest in going into the market, going into the markets and start in taking it more seriously. This is a great course. It's a great opportunity to to bounce off others' ideas and to come up with new ideas and presenting them and having opinions. And so, like I said, it really doesn't feel like a classroom. It feels more like a couple of guys meeting up and having a discussion, and there is someone who is just the anchor of it. Someone anchors the whole conversation and directs it to the right place. I think the fact that you are so energetic and so passionate about it, Christophe, makes it a completely different experience. So that's what I gotta say about that.